Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start Java backend development. First, you will need to install the Java Development Kit, preferably version 8 or newer, which is essential for running Java applications. Next, choose a powerful integrated development environment, or IDE, like IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, to write and manage your code efficiently. Finally, set up a build automation tool such as Maven or Gradle to manage project dependencies and build processes seamlessly. Once your environment is ready, dive into core Java concepts. Master object-oriented programming principles, which are fundamental to Java development. Then, explore powerful backend frameworks, with Spring Boot being a top choice for its ease of use and extensive features. Understanding how to design and implement RESTful APIs is also crucial, as they form the backbone of communication between your backend and other services. A robust backend needs data. Begin by learning SQL and how to work with relational databases such as PostgreSQL or MySQL, which are widely used. Next, understand object relational mapping, or ORM, tools like Hibernate, which simplify database interactions by mapping Java objects to database tables. Finally, connect your Java application to a chosen database to ensure efficient and persistent data storage. With your application developed, it is time for deployment and refinement. Learn to deploy your Java backend to a cloud platform such as Amazon Web Services or Heroku, making it accessible to users. Implement comprehensive testing strategies, including unit and integration tests, to ensure your code is reliable and robust. Always follow established coding standards and security best practices for maintainable and secure applications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.